Now you have seen that formatting of cells is possible by clicking on a single cell. However, you can format multiple cells by clicking on the column or on a row. Clicking on a row and, for example, clicking on bold the next makes all the content of all cells bold or unbold again. There are a few options you can only take, for example, for columns. The column width, for example, can be changed. So if you move the cursor directly on the border of the column in this borderline, then you can make it smaller. And what you can observe here is if the cell content doesn't fit anymore into the column, then some hashtags are displayed. So you know you should broaden it. You can broaden it to an exact value by opening up the context menu. Click on, in the Mac, click on Control button and then click on this F, and you can see column width, and I can now, for example, enter 25 and I get the column width exactly to 25 points. In Windows, to open the context menu, just click the right mouse button. What you see here is that you maybe have some space which could be used for other things, so you would like an optimal fit. What you could do is then in the Mac go to this Format button, click on Column and then make an auto fit selection. And you can see the amount of width is exactly defined so that it fits perfectly. There is one more important option for formatting columns. If you click here, again, open up this context menu, you can see hide and unhide. If I hide it, you see the column has disappeared. However, it's still part of the Excel sheet. It's not deleted. You can see here it's E, then it's G, and the F is simply not shown. And you can see a thicker border in here as well. To open it up again, just highlight the bordering columns, open up the context menu again and say unhide, and whoops, the column F appears again.